Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're looking at a really simple but life-changing health step. We're talking about blood tests for diabetes.
We are, and we're using a great source for this. Diabetes blood test in Widnes, what you need to know. It's from the experts at Blood Test UK.
Right, and even though it mentions Widnes, the advice is really solid for anyone in the UK. So let's just unpack this. Why is checking your blood sugar so important?
It really is all about catching things before they become a big problem.
So what exactly is a diabetes blood test? For someone who's never had one.
It's basically just a simple check. It measures the sugar levels in your blood. The goal is to find conditions like type 2 diabetes really, really early.
And in the UK, how do you go about getting one? Is it complicated?
Not at all. The NHS makes it pretty straightforward. You just, go to your local doctor, your GP.
Okay, but who should be going? This is where Blood Test UK gets really specific.
Yes, they lay out some clear risk factors.
Such as?
Well, if you're 40 or older, you should be thinking about it. Also, if diabetes, runs in your family.
And there's a big one about BMI.
A very big one. If your BMI is over 30, that's a major reason to get checked.
So those are the kinds of silent risks. What about actual signs? Things you may feel?
Yeah, you should definitely look out for things like being really thirsty all the time.
Thirsty, okay.
And peeing a lot more than usual. Or just feeling completely exhausted for no reason.
Got it. So getting checked early is the key to staying healthy then.
It's everything.
So let's talk about those benefits. What does it all mean in the long run? Early detection is the biggest one, I assume.
It is. Finding high sugar levels quickly means you can act fast before any real damage is done.
And when you say act fast, what does that involve?
It can be simple things. If you catch it early, you can just change your habits, eating a little better, moving a bit more.
And that can stop the really severe complications.
Oh, absolutely. It helps you avoid awful problems with your heart or even nerve damage down the line.
And regular testing helps you and your doctor keep a close eye on those levels.
Exactly. That control is what stops sugar from getting way too high or crashing too low.
Hyperglycemia or hypoglycemia?
That's right. And Blood Test UK makes a great point that this leads to less time in the hospital.
Which makes sense. UK research proves that, right? That regular screening just helps people stay in better control.
It does. Knowledge is power.
So let's give a quick, simple tip for the test itself. Fasting. That's important, isn't it?
It is. You usually have to fast, which just means no food for at least 8 hours before the test.
And that's just to make sure the result is as accurate as possible.
Yep, so it gives a true baseline reading.
But what's really fascinating, and the guide mentions this, is that doctors use another test too.
The HbA1c, yes.
What's that one?
That one is incredible. It doesn't just measure your blood sugar right now, it measures your average blood sugar over the last 2 to 3 months.
Wow, so it gives a much bigger picture.
A complete picture. It tells the doctor if there's a long-term issue that needs managing.
Quick, clear, and focused on you. We just unpacked the benefits of diabetes blood testing, all based on the great guidance for Widnes residents from Blood Test UK.
And if you connect this to the bigger picture, well, understanding these simple tests really helps the whole community stay healthier.
It really does. Which brings us to a final thought for you to mull over. If a simple check like that HbA1c can stop huge problems like heart disease,
what other simple proactive health step could you maybe learn about next?